It's official. You suck.
Do you want me to go fucking trash your lights? Do you want me to fucking trash them?
Da 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 circus da 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 Afro circus Afro polka dot Afro. One more time. Da 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 da.
Hello, my name is not Joe. It is Inigo Montoya. You killed my brother. Father, prepare to die.
Ass!
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. Catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause.
I did not hit her. It's not true. It's bullshit. I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark.
Nigga, 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 nigga. Cause I'm a motherfucking nigga.
Let me tell you about a man who rides side by side with justice. Black gi, black belt, black hair dye. You know who he is. Eric Bijon.
Don't act like you know what I'm going through. You have no idea what I'm going through. Well, don't act like you're king of the universe all the time. I worked very hard to get where I am. Hard work. You have no idea what hard work is. I was frozen today.
Oh,
I was frozen today.
You've got your sunrise, you caught a prize, you're making your Johnson.
oh no, he's got a speedo and a ton of pants.
Hello trolls, it's me, Razorblade. Did you miss me?
Oh no, he told those fuckers that he would be back.
Party nights, summer whites, you, your friends, and your Johnson.
You betray the law!
Taste the rainbow, motherfucker!
Oh no, gotta get around and load it up.
Rooster tails, water trails, you, your kids, and your Johnson.
This is Sparta!
Oh. I don't know.
Stop eating my sesame cake!
Saturday nights, distant lights, you, your girl, and your Johnson.
Oh no, think it's time to go and blow shit up.
Nigga, 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 nigga. Why you eat so much chicken?
Oh no, he's putting things into things.
Hey, what kind of toppings you want? I don't care. No, wait, I didn't mean to...
Hi, we're
and everybody has to care about something.
I hear voices in my head, they count for me, they understand. And a bunch of other stuff.
The Wonder Boner. My wife would like that.
You're just another part of me.
Da 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 da.
So my baby.
Oh, right. Like I'm just supposed to pick up a stone, stand here, and say, "Give me light."